Let's simplify this exponential notation. So we have 36 over 64 to the power of 0.5. So we have our negative exponent, guys. So first is we have to rename 0.5 into its fractional form since this is a decimal number. So let's copy 36 over 64. So equal to 36 over 64. Then let's rename this into a fractional form. So 0.5, this is 5/10. So in fraction form, this is 5 over 10. Okay. So next is we have to simplify the exponent into its lowest term. So we need to divide 5 and 10 into its GCF, or the greatest common factor. So we have 5 divided by 5 and 10 divided by 5. So we have 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this is 1/2. Okay, so let's copy 36 over 64. And then put 1/2 as the exponent. Okay, guys. So next step is we need to get the square root of 36 over 64. So we need to put 36 over 64 into a radical sign. So we have 36 over 64. So put it inside the parenthesis, because the numerator 1 is our exponent here, and the denominator 2 will be our index here. Okay, guys. So now we are going to find the square root of 36 over 64. So the square root of 36 over the square root of 64. Okay, guys. So the answer is the square root of 36 is simply 6. And then the square root of 64 is simply 8. So the answer, guys, is 6 over 8, or 6/8. But we need to simplify this because this is a higher term. So we need to divide it into a GCF of the two numbers. So the GCF of 6 and 8 is 2. Okay, guys.